In this tutorial for Davinci Resolve, how to export the current frame as a still. Now I'm in the Colour tab here, so Colour tab. You can then right click and grab still, so the current frame is then added over here in the gallery panel. And then you can right click and then go to export, and you can just export it in a couple of formats, the whole format list here, and give it a name. Another option, if you're in the edit, so edit tab over here, you can go to file and down to export and current frame as still. And then again, give it a file format. There's all the formats, give it a name, location and export. Once you've done that, you can then go to file and then import and media, and then import that PNG file or whatever format into the project. Now you'll notice here I've got file and export and current frame. I use this a lot, so I've actually set it up to have a shortcut of 4. How to customize the keyboard. Just go over here to Davinci Resolve, keyboard customization, select that. And here I just go down to file and then click open here and then go to current frame as still. And I've set it to 4. Now it was something else before, something I didn't particularly use, so I've replaced it with just current frame as still. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions and thoughts, please let me know in the comments below. If you know of any other ways of doing this, also please put in the comments. Always great to know of other ways to export those images. Bye.